Columbus, Texas. And here's all your flood cars. Out of Houston, from Harvey, there's all your flood cars. This is just one lot, ladies and gentlemen, just one lot. This is not all of them. This summer going right here is nice and full, all the way across. My poor little camera can't show you every one of them and all of them, but that summer gun is nice and full, all the way clean across as far as your eye can see. Nothing but flood cars. You can see them. They are in droves. Cars, trucks, vans, you name it. No utility vehicles or work vehicles, only personal vehicles that I see out here.